How to pair and set up Apple Watch. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, heading towards your Apple Watch, turn on your Apple Watch, then set up language and reason for your Apple Watch. Different language options will appear. Go ahead and select the language of your choice. After you set up the language, now select the reason for your Apple Watch. After you do that, you'll get this kind of pop-up, Start Pairing. Click on it. With that, this kind of screen will be displayed in your Apple Watch. Now heading towards your iPhone, you will need to download this app Watch. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Once completion of its download, launch it. Click on My Watch, then click on Start Pairing. Continue setup, click on Continue. Now you will need to pair your iPhone with Apple Watch. Hold Apple Watch up to the camera. In this way, just like shown in the video. After the watch has been paired to the iPhone, you will get this kind of pop-up. Your Apple Watch is paired. Now click on Setup. Wrist Performance. Select the wrist and click on Continue. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Wait for a few seconds. Now go through the terms and conditions of Apple Watch. Just scroll down and then click on Agree. Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Watch Analytics. Share with Apple, don't share. Select the option according to your choice. I'm gonna set it to don't share. Now create a passcode. Head towards your Apple Watch. You will get this kind of pop-up in the screen. Now set a passcode for your Apple Watch in this way. Once you set up the code, now you can head towards your iPhone. Location services. You can enable it or you can disable it. Select the option of your choice. Now you can customize the text and size. If you want bold text in your Apple Watch, likewise you can also customize the text size if you want a larger text or the small text. Once you customize the text, click on Continue. Accessibility, Assistive Touch, you can enable it or disable it and click on Continue. Here settings, click on OK. Personalized Fitness and Health, you can customize these settings, date of birth, sex, height, weight, wheelchair. Once you customize these settings, click on Continue. Get notifications about your health. Here you're gonna find different options as noise, cardio, low heartbeat, high heart rate. You can enable for these options and then click on Continue. Are you taking these heart medications? If you are taking these medications, you can check in for these options and then click on Continue. You can check out these safety measures and then click on Continue. Set up Apple Pay. If you want to set up Apple Pay, click on Continue. Now here you can scan your card, or also you can enter your card details manually. Likewise, App View. You can set it to Grid View or List View and then click on Continue. Apple Watch is syncing. You can see that it's in the process. Now you have to wait for a few minutes. And you can see that your Apple Watch has been paired and set up. Well, this way you can easily pair and set up Apple Watch. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.